So good morning. Moving further with the chapter, that's 7, congruency of triangles, and in that we are going to learn about criteria for congruency of triangles. So what are the criteria? Under which criteria we can say that the given triangles are congruent? For that we are going to learn our first criteria, that is SSS. SSS theorem. SSS, the word itself says that side, side, side. Right? So here in this criteria we are going to deal with the sides of the two triangles. What we are going to deal? We are going to deal with the sides of the two triangles. So what the criteria says that two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if the three sides of the one are equal to the three corresponding sides of other, right? Means what? कोई first triangle છે, એ triangle ની જે sides છે એનું measure ને એના સાથે જે corresponding બીજો triangle છે એ sides નું measure કેવું હોવું જોઈએ? Same હોવું જોઈએ. Then and only then we can say that they are congruent under the criteria SSS. Which criteria? Side, side, side. So let's see with figure. Triangle A, B, C, triangle X, Y, Z. Now, here in triangle A, B, C and triangle X, Y, Z, what we can say that AB is equal to XY બરાબર શું છે? side. AC is equal to XZ. What is that? Again it is side. Similarly, BC is same as YZ. What is this? Again it is sides. Right? Now here you can see that all the three sides with the corresponding triangles are same. Right? Therefore, pi side 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 theorem, SSS theorem, what we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle. Now how to write the congruency? So from the statement, here you can see that which vertex is common. So you can say A is common in both. So for opposite side, what is common over here? x. What is common over here? X. And wherever A, we have to write x. Got it? Chalo. A corresponds to x. So what we can say that B corresponds to y. So wherever B, we have to place y. And finally z. So here is the rule of congruency. Right? If the measure of all sides are equal, then what we can say that by using SSS theorem, that is side, 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 we can say that given two triangles are congruent. They are Xerox copy or they are equivalent. Got it? One example. State whether the pairs of triangles are congruent or not. So here you can see the pairing is given to you. Right? This is your triangle first, that is ABC, and your triangle second, that is PQR. We have to examine whether they are congruent or not. So it's very easy to identify. So here, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? Try to observe the figure. You can see all sides are given to you. બધી તમને સાઇડ્સ જ આપેલી છે. તો obviously we are looking for this criteria, SSS criteria. Let's see whether it is true or not. So from the figure 1, we can say that AB is same as PQ. AB is same as PQ. From the measurement we can say, and that is equal to 1.5 centimeter. What is this? Your side. Again look for another one. So BC of first triangle is same as QR of another triangle, right? And that is equal to 2.5 centimeter. What is this? Similarly, AC of first is same as PR of another. So that is equal to 2.2. What is this? So you can say that all the sides, corresponding sides, are equal. Corresponding sides are equal. Here, therefore, ABC corresponds to chalo first mark. What is similar first to B? Over here Q. So with B, तो B कहाँ છે? સેન્ટર માં. તો મારો Q भी સેન્ટર માં આવી ગયો. B સાથે Q, તો A સાથે P. A સાથે P. B સાથે Q, તો C સાથે R. Correspondence મળી ગયો. Therefore, by SSS criteria, what we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Correspondence મળી જાય, so we can say that they are congruent. समझ पड़ी? આટલું જ કરવાનું છે અને 2 માર્ક્સ લઈ લેવાના છે. આટલું જ કરવાનું છે. Just we have to identify what is given to you, and from that we have to predict the sums. Got it? Now next example, let's see what does it suggest. So here it is given to you that in triangle ABC and PQR. So for our safety nets, what we are going to draw? We are going to draw two triangles. A, B, C and triangle PQR. Now let's indicate all the things that is given in the question. The first one, AB, that is of length 3.5 centimeter. So this AB, that is of length 3.5 centimeter. BC, that is 7.1 centimeter, and AC, that is 5 centimeter. Similarly, PQ, that is 7.1 centimeter, QR, that is 5 centimeter, and PR, that is 3.5 centimeter. Examine whether the two triangles are congruent or not. What we have to examine? Whether they are congruent or not. So for that we will go with the figure and we will write all the instruction that can easily predict from the figure. So from figure, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is same as PR, and which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. And what is that? Barabar? Similarly, BC is same as PQ, which is equal to 7.1 centimeter. Again it is side. Similarly, AC is same as QR, which is equal to 5 centimeter. Again it is side. Now from this equality, we can write the correspondence. From this equality, what we can write? The correspondence. So from equality, we can say that A corresponds to B corresponds to C corresponds to. Let's see. Take the first two. What is common over here? B. So on opposite side? B. So B corresponds to B. And B corresponds to B. If B corresponds to B, A corresponds to R. So A ની સાથે કોણ જશે? R. A સાથે R. તો Q સાથે C સાથે Q. C સાથે Q. Correspondence મળી ગયો. Therefore, by which criteria? Side, side, side. So by SSS criteria, what we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle A સાથે B સાથે C સાથે. So we can say that ABC corresponds to triangle RPQ. It's not PQR. ભલે ફિગરમાં મને PQR, but it's not PQR, it's RPQ. સમજ પડે છે? રાઈટ. કોરસ્પોન્ડન્સ ખાલી સર્ચ આઉટ કરવાનું છે અહીંયાથી નથી લખવાનું. કોરસ્પોન્ડન્સ અહીંયાથી ડેશ પહેલા લઈ લેવાનું. એંગલ્સ આવી જશે તે તો બોઈસી. જ્યારે સાઇડ્સ હોય ત્યારે બે સાઇડ્સમાં કોમન જે છે તે અહીંયા શોધવાનું. તેની સાથે તે જ કોરસ્પોન્ડન્સ હોય. ગોટ ઇટ? ક્લિયર થઈ ગયું? ચાલો. સેકન્ડ one. In figure, AD is same as CD. Okay, yeah, AD is same as CD. Okay. Secondly, AB is same as BC. Okay, AB is same as BC. Sorry. State three pairs of equal parts. हमारे पास तो बेच पेयर છે. कितनी पेयर की મને? 3 pairs. કાંથી લાવવા? ચાલો લખીએ તો ખરા. So here, from figure, how many triangles are there? 2 triangles are there. In triangle DAB and triangle DCB, DCB. We have AD is same as DC. Okay ना?
Yes.
क्या? AB is same as DC. Why? It is already given. આપે જ દીધું છે કે બે સાઈડ સેમ છે. What about third side? Any idea? નથી? આવે છે કોઈને આઈડિયા? નથી આવતો? This BD is of triangle ABD. है ना? Similarly, this BD is again side of BCD. Right? So you can say that this line segment is common in both. BD first triangle માં બી છે ને BD સેકન્ડ ટ્રાયેંગલ માં બી છે. ગ્રીન કલર નો પાર્ટ સેકન્ડ માં બી છે, રેડ કલર નો પાર્ટ ફર્સ્ટ માં બી છે. એ તો બંને સેમ છે. Right? So common part are always equal. So what we can say that BD of first one is same as BD of second one. What is the reason? Common side. Common side બંનેમાં છે. બરાબર? તમારો ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન આવી ગયો. ત્રણ સાઈડ શોધવા કીધેલા એટલે ઇક્વલ પાર્ટ્સ લખી દીધા. Second one, is ABD congruent to CBD? So here from equality, what we can say that here A corresponds to B corresponds to D corresponds to. Right? Equality છે એટલે correspondence આવી જાય. ચલો A corresponds to, ચલો what is common over here? અહીંયા C. A ની સાથે A ની સાથે C, D ની સાથે D. એટલે જ્યાં D છે ત્યાં શું લખા? D. ને B ની સાથે B. B ની સાથે B. Therefore, by SSS criteria, what we can say that triangle ABD is congruent to A ની સાથે C, B ની સાથે B, D ની સાથે B. મળી ગયો. સેકન્ડ પાર્ટ બી પ્રૂવ થઈ ગયો. થર્ડ વન શું કહે છે? થર્ડ વન BD bisect. Bisect means what?
Cut into equal parts.
Equal parts માં કટ કરે છે. કયા એંગલ ને? B એંગલ ને. Is it so? Is it so?
Yes.
Right? So yes. Right? Third answer શું આવશે? Yes. BD bisect angle ABC. Reason શું છે? તો congruent part છે. આ કોણ છે? congruent part કયો ને? congruent part of congruent triangle. It's the congruent part of congruent triangle. That's why it will bisect. સમજ પડી કેવી રીતે સમ આઉટ જોવાનો છે તે? હા લખો.